Yeah.
No, wait, I know the gas mask sounds good.
Hey, can you pass out mags and guns?
Alright. Who wants a big gun?
Me! Aw.
I'll put this one in mine.
Oh, don't mind me, just got my HDR right here.
Oh, don't mind me.
Let's make him
That's how you load it? Or are you just trying to be cool?
Yes.
Alright, so who's all got mags? Everybody? Alright. Hey, check if I'm unbuttoned. Anywhere in there.
Already have one of those.
What's wrong with this helmet?
Put it on YouTube, man. This is. I think it's recording now too.
Come out here with me. I need your help. Hey.
You're famous. What are you doing?
Handcuffs, I need your help. Come here.
You keep grabbing my butt or something. Down. What?
Check if I'm unbuttoned.
You're not buttoned. Felt good.
You sure?
Yeah. Why would you come on button? You already used it.
Hold on to it.
Yeah.
Up.
Alright, everyone set your guns?
Hang on.
Nope. Yep.
This is my rifle, and this is my gun.
Gotcha.
This is for shooting, and this is for fun.
Oh, you got mine.
Well, no, if you call it a gun in the military, they'll be like, your gun? Your weapon? Your weapon.
I had my M16 stolen from me by a drill sergeant.
Yeah. Oh, they do that all the time. When they smoke that.
You guys good?
Yep.
He made me sing. He made me sing rap. He's a black drill sergeant.
That's so funny.
He made me sing Stomach Sloths.
My nickname in basic was Trouble.
To humiliate you or something?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just to make fun of him.
Alright, call it when you're good! 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go.
Good to go.
Oh, sorry.
Fine. Yeah. 30 pin. Hey. Right in the ear. Why don't you get out of your spawn?
What's that mean? Hey, what's that mean? He said no.
He said go respawn.
Hey! Oh!
But I got hit and it hit like ting, ting, ting all across my finger. Man. Whoa.
Hey, you want full out? Yeah. Can we go full out?
No. Nick is not going all ape shit and stuff. Nick is just being Nick.
Hey! Why are you walking in front of me? Ah, hit!
I swear he said no spawning.
Someone shot me in the head.
Did you hear that?
He said don't spawn camp.
Those fighting?
He didn't say that to me. He said no respawning.
No, he yelled no spawn camping. Don't spawn camp.
Number 3 roll, no line